Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete a drive partition on Windows 11 using Settings app. For this, right click on this one Start button and select here Settings option. Then select System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Storage. Then scroll down and click on this one Advanced Storage Settings. Then click on this one Disks and Volumes option and then locate the drive or partition you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this one volume E. Click on this one properties button beside that volume. Then click on this one delete button. You will find under format section. Click on this one delete button. Again click on this one delete volume option. This will delete your particular volume or partition along with its data that you have saved on that drive. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.